quick update. Took everything apart because I wanted to paint the inside of the frame. I didn't do that previously, and I needed to drill a hole here and there so that I can bolt up the fuel cell. Got the rear end complete, new upper control arms. So when I bought this rear end, they didn't come with control arms. So we're gonna go ahead and get that power wash before we put it back in, get it all cleaned up. Got a new set of wheels as well. Some Apex 19x12s, 325 tire all around, or at least in the rear, I should say. I will be getting new lug nuts, so we can throw those rusty ones away. But let's go ahead and get this power wash so we can stab it back in. little update on the truck. May not look like much, but bracket is fully in, Loctite and everything. Now coming back out. Same thing with the fuel cell, completely in. Now coming out. Rubber isolators and everything. Ran some fuel lines already to the filter and to the return. Just gotta wire up the pump and then the level sensor. Got the brake lines for the calipers. Teed it off at the middle. Not too shabby. And then went ahead and ordered brake lines for the whole truck. But as you can see, that's usually where the stock line comes out from the frame. And that's not gonna work for me, so I have to move it back a little bit. Other than that, placed the replacement for the whole inner frame. It's in place, it's not hooked up or nothing. And removed the booster, the master, the ABS, and the stock proportion valve. And we are gonna be painting the booster. Once we paint the booster, then we can go ahead and install the master. And then we also got a wheel wood proportioning valve that we're gonna hook up. So once we paint the booster, this thing should start moving along pretty quick. But as far as the rear, everything is in place. Brake lines are nice and tight. I did order some clips to go to the bracket because it's a little loose. Once those come in, just slide them in and that'll be done. So I can actually, if I wanted to, I can go ahead and put the wheel back on, because the clip, I can get it from the other side or from within the wheel. It's not really in the way. Other than that, finished brake lines. And then I'm gonna have to order a drive shaft. Order drive shaft, finish brake lines, order coilovers, and that should be it. Wire up fuel pump, 4 more things. And then we are done. I got a list over here. So we've done fuel lines, fuel pump wire. I have that, just haven't done it. Brake lines from caliper to master cylinder. Got that. Upper control arms, those are in. Drive shaft, need to order that. Rear main, have to do that. Trans tail shaft seal, have to do that as well. And NBS master cylinder, half of that. Coilovers, have to order. Battery relocation, I have the bracket, just need to put it in. Battery wiring, I have to get that as well, but that's not really holding me up. Proportioning valve, got that as well, as you can see. So in reality, 4 things. Should be finishing within a couple of weeks. I'm shooting for the beginning of August, but you know how things go. But hopefully we can get it by the beginning of August. Have this thing on the ground and running. That way we can put the bed back on and cruise it, see how it feels. But yep, that's where we're at.